Hey guys, I just now got this brand new limited edition BMW, and I'm so psyched about it. I'm so excited. I have to show it to you. Let's go check it out. It's okay, as you see, brand new. Only 10 of these have been made. Awesome car. You can see it's a new kind of style. They actually don't have a top. They removed the top completely. So you don't even need air conditioning because you just have the wind. Awesome rims. Look at that. Black rims. Looks cool. And they actually have this new feature. A lot of people were getting upset because when you gotta honk your horn at someone, usually you honk your horn and it sounds angry, and people don't want to sound angry. So they came out with this new I guess you say user-friendly horn. I'll show it to you. See, now if you hear that, you know you're not going to get mad. No one's going to get mad at you if you honk that kind of horn at someone. But it's an awesome vehicle. Amazing. It actually, another feature I forgot to tell you about it, it uses no gas. Not even electric. It runs on leg power. It's kind of like the old, if you used to watch Flintstones. It runs on leg power. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I just that's the brand new limited edition BMW I had to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about it.